Happy Fraud Prevention Friday, everyone. Today, we're tackling a topic that's critical for your business, how to protect your business from shipping fraud. I'm Julia Lauren, Chief Product Officer at Truckstop, and I'm here to guide you through the steps to safeguard your freight business. At Truckstop, we've been monitoring freight fraud for 2 decades. Our data shows a significant surge in fraudulent activities. In Q4 of 2022, we saw a staggering 400% increase in fraud complaints, the highest since 2008. To protect your business, watch out for these red flags when screening carriers. 1. Carrier contact information. Scrutinize email addresses for subtle changes. 2. Virtual phone numbers without physical addresses can be suspicious. 3. Authority information. While longer authority tenure does not guarantee legitimacy, it is an important factor to consider. 4. Verify taxpayer identification numbers, TIN, and check inspection history. 5. Commonly targeted cargo. Be aware of cargo trends. Scammers often target high-value items like electronics, household goods, and even food products. It's not just about having written procedures, it's about enforcing them. Make sure your team knows your intent for carrier vetting and actively follows these standards to keep your business secure. Here are 5 ways technology plays a crucial role in mitigating risk. 1. Require an invitation to register. Use invitations to weed out scammers during carrier onboarding. 2. Automate your business rules. Automatically filter preferences to ensure compliance and reduce human error. 3. Incorporate immediate notifications. Stay updated in real time on safety authorization changes. 4. Use TMS integrations. Integrate trusted technology into your TMS for seamless compliance management. 5. Leverage the network effect. Collaborate with your professional network and authorities to protect your business and the industry. Stay informed and educate your carriers. Here's how. 1. Info security. Implement strong password practices and multi-factor authentication. 2. Educate your carriers. Train them to recognize and prevent phishing and smishing scams. 3. Invest in the safety of your business. Partner with Truckstop for access to the largest carrier and broker network and robust RMIS carrier onboarding and monitoring software. Don't let fraud jeopardize your business. With Truckstop, you get access to the largest network and advanced tools to ensure your business's safety on every haul. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and together we can keep your business safe and thriving.